Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. Also, make sure that you turn the water off and pull out the drain hose from the standpipe. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the brake assembly in a Maytag washer. It's going to be a very easy repair, should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a pair of large pliers, a putty knife, a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a 7/16" socket wrench with an extension, a brake removal tool, part number 38315. If you don't have it, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com, and a mallet. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new brake assembly. The main reason why the brake assembly would need to be replaced is if it starts making a loud squeaking noise or gets jammed, causing the tub not to spin. Make sure the water is off, get a small towel ready, and then using the large pliers, unscrew and remove the inlet hoses. I removed the front panel to provide a clear view of how the belts are installed. You do not need to remove the panel yourself in order to complete this repair. Tilt the washer on its back on a 4x4 wooden block. Let's put the towel down on the floor to protect it from the grease. Remove both belts. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the screw and the washer from the center of the drive shaft. Put it aside. Using the flat blade screwdriver, remove the drive lug from the drive shaft. Also, put it aside. Remove the drive pulley by turning it counterclockwise. Using the 7/16" socket wrench, remove the stopper screw and the retainer at the top of the bearing assembly. Place the brake removing tool on the brake assembly and using the mallet, unscrew it counterclockwise. When the brake assembly is loose, remove it from the drive tube splines. Using the flat blade screwdriver, remove the radial bearing from the top of the brake assembly. This is the old brake assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Please note, when you install the new brake assembly, the retainer clip should be somewhere on the second thread from the bottom. Slide the radial bearing on the transmission shaft and then install the brake assembly. And start screwing it on by turning it clockwise. Use the brake removal tool and the mallet to tighten it. Install the retainer and secure it with a 7/16" screw. Don't over-tighten it. Place the drive pulley on the shaft and tighten it, turning it clockwise. Next, we need to install the lug nut. Holding the pulley so there is no slack left, place the drive lug onto the shaft so the distance between it and the pulley lug is 3/8 of an inch. Using the Phillips screwdriver, install the screw and the washer in the center of the shaft. Put the dust cap on if there's one. Install both belts. We can now remove the towel. Alright, now we can lift the washer on its legs. Carefully, so the valve's threads are not damaged, thread on both inlet hoses by hand and then tighten them just a bit with the pliers. Make sure you didn't switch around the hot and the cold water hoses. put the drain hose into the standpipe, turn the water on, plug the washer in, and check if it works properly. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.